India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. For students looking to build a career in the automotive and heavy vehicle industry, CTS offers the trade of mechanic diesel. From transport vehicles and construction equipment to agricultural machinery, generators, and industrial engines, skilled diesel mechanics play a vital role every single day. In this one-year CTS program, from day one, students receive hands-on practical training using industry-relevant tools, diagnostic equipment, and real workshop environments. Students learn diesel engine servicing, fuel injection systems, engine assembly and dismantling, fault diagnosis, maintenance procedures, electrical and cooling systems, and practical repair skills through industry-focused workshop training. After successfully completing training and assessment under CTS, trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across construction companies, hotels, smart city projects, industrial facilities, start businesses, become entrepreneurs, and maintenance services. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CITS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. Learn today, lead tomorrow.